സോ നമ്മളെ ക്ലാസ്സിൻ്റെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആഷിക് പ്രൈമിൻ്റെ സൈഡിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് പറയാമോ? എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ ക്ലാസ് ആൻഡ് ഓവറോൾ എവരിത്തിങ്?
Okay, it's overall a good experience. So I was able to learn a lot of stuff. Like uh, mainly got into ethical hacking and started around December, and it's been like 5 months, and now it's May 3rd, and I was able to learn a lot. Like I was able to create a project also by myself, and I was able to learn about various tools which I use in ethical hacking. So
Your overall experience about Cyber Bay Academy?
it was a good experience. Like
Okay, so Ashik Prem, tell about your project. What have you
project.
done on your project?
Okay, so what I have done is I have created a keylogger program which produces the output to Telegram. Yeah, so one minute, I'll share the screen. So this is the program.
Okay.
Can you see the program?
Yeah, definitely. I can see.
So talking about the program, like the first thing is it imports 3 modules. First one, the pine import.keyboard is used to get the keystrokes from the user. And second module, the second library, threading, which is used for this one, mainly for multi-threading. And third one is request, which is used for sending requests to Telegram. And so this is like this is the function which is used to get the keystrokes which are pressed, and we declared a global variable log here in order to store the keystrokes. So this try method is used in order to store the keywords, like the characters, like alphabets, and if this is mainly for special keys like a tab, shift, like that. And if it is a like space key, it will directly log as space, like that. So that's why I kept it here as log is equals to log plus space. Otherwise, it will just directly print the keystroke as it is. And in the report function, it calls the log, and what it does is this gives the output to Telegram. So whatever is present in the log, it will be delivered to Telegram. And here the timer, like here I have set threading timer, so mainly 15 seconds. So after every 15-second interval, the output will be generated to Telegram, and this timer starts the thread. And in that keyboard or listener, it's like this one object in order to start the listener, and which has a callback function, which is process key press. That is this function. And this is with context, we can start the keyboard listener, and so we get an initial message in Telegram saying that the keylogger has been initiated, and then calls the report function. So it directly goes to the report function. It generates a log, and then it comes to this timer where it stays for 15 minutes and then calls the report function again. And this keyboard listener is used to notify about any callback error, and also like it's mainly used to run that this one keyboard listener.
Which project are you looking to take again from us? I have shared many projects. So now you are looking to take which project?
So I was planning to this one continue with the cloud encryption.
Okay. So Ashik Prem, after the cloud encryption, you will be going to the technical side of our OPSEC B, working on a live project. So we will provide you a live project. നമ്മളുടെ അക്കാഡമിയെ പറ്റി എന്താണ് പറയാനുള്ളത് ഇനി ജോയിൻ ആവാൻ പോകുന്ന സ്റ്റുഡൻസിനോട്?
Okay, so it's a good academy. So I was one of the I was present in one of the first batches. It was a good experience, and I was able to gain a good knowledge about all the things. It നല്ലൊരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു മൊത്തം.
ഹൗ അബൌട്ട് മൈ ടീച്ചിങ്? ഞാൻ കുറെ ക്ലാസ്സസ്
ആ
എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്.
നന്നായിരുന്നു എല്ലാം.
ഓക്കെ. സോ നമുക്ക് നെക്സ്റ്റ് പ്രൊജക്റ്റിൽ നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട്